Good morning, everybody. Welcome to your Watanabe show. My name is Princea Crasta, and we have Priyanka and Kora along with us. Um, Guys, there was this contest running on our Hindi channel, and there was a prize of around 500 rupees, cash prize, and all you had to do was just guess the top five picks from the Nifty 50. And still, there was not much of participation. We request you people to please come forward and participate in the contest and win over 500 rupees. Okay, so let me just take you to today's stock market highlights. We have US futures were lower following a close in the red for cash market. US market ends lower after a volatile session. Frontline indices were down by around 0.3%. SGX Nifty trades lower. It indicates a lower start for the Indian market. If we move ahead and check the Indian ADRs, we can see that Tata Motors is leading by around 7.22%. Earnings post market as we can see that Zomato's revenue is up by around 17% and net loss is down by around 48%. ITC good results. The revenue is up by around 12% and net profit is up by around 5%. The agri business has outperformed as compared to the cigarette business. Then we have Castrol, Nerolac. Nerolac's revenue is up by around 33% and net profit up around 8 times. If we move ahead, these are rest of the stocks that you can watch for the day. We have stocks to watch. We can see Reliance Industries, like all the big telecom industries. They had like there was an auction and they participated in it. Reliance being the giant and one of the biggest buyer in the spectrum auction. Then we have Adani Enterprises, Bharti Airtel, Vodafone Idea. So first of every month is basically the results for auto sales or motor sales, I would say. And we have Eicher Motors. Their sales is up by around 26% for the month of July. Hero MotoCorp, the sales is down by around 2%. TVS Motors, the sales is up by around 13%. Maruti Suzuki, the company's total production in July rose by around 8.3%. These are rest of the stocks that you can watch on the screen. Earnings today, we have Adani Green, Godrej Properties, Deepak Nitrite, Indus Towers, and so on. Pledge shares, we have already, Swan Energy is again in the news. The promoter group has created a pledge of around 50 lakh shares, and Emami, the promoter, Sneha Enclave, they have created a pledge of around 7 lakh shares. In bulk deal, we have Mastech in news. West Coast Papers, one of our holdings. So in that, there's a lot of buying by... there's a lot of bulk deals happening. So we have Navodaya Enterprises. They bought around 5 lakh shares. That's roughly around 25 crores of shares. And then we have SPV Traders. They brought around 3.5 lakh shares. That's roughly around 16 crores of shares. Let's straight move to the FNOQs. So FIIs, they have bought in the cash market of around 2,300 crores and DIIs, they have sold around 800 crores. FIIs in derivatives, they have gone long in index futures and short in index options. Overall, there is a notional addition of around 1,800 crores. Over to you, Priyanka.
Yes, thank you so much, Princia. The markets are already open. Kona, do we have any trades?
17,302 on Nifty.
Yes, Kora.
That try to cover it at point 25% less. That would be 84 plus 20%, about 16. So 70 out of a 70.
Both quantity, Kora?
Yeah.
Okay, I've placed a limit order for that.
Then I don't think there's a it's trading, right? That 889. Just check. How come 38,500C went up and banknifty went down? Okay, it's yesterday's trade. There was no trade yet.
Okay, it's not being traded. We'll place a limit order for that also.
Oh, I just want to see where Bank Nifty is going.
Mhm.
The margin,
Yeah. We have minus 3,800, Cora.
that's because we put a buy order for 7,000.
Yes.
So actually we have only funds of 4,000. Let's see if we can short 38.5 CE this week.
Okay. It's at 41, Cora.
Let's see if we can short it at market.
No.
Yeah, it's quite a bit of shortfall, so we can't do that. Let's see. I mean, my thinking is the gap might get filled.
Okay.
If there was focus by Chinese media. So, time in Singapore now.
It's 11:48 a.m.
About 12. And Taiwan?
It's same, Cora.
Okay, they're on same time zone. I think she leaves around 6 o'clock local time.
Okay.
That's 6 hours from now. So about 3 o'clock for us. Then the time between Singapore and Taiwan is about 5 hours flight time.
Okay.
Chinese guys are making the noise that they're US is encroaching their airspace. But I think it's just a noise, nothing is going to happen. So because of that, all the Asian markets are looking nervous. We'll get to know by we won't get to know by 3 o'clock. We'll get to know only about 7 o'clock now. Our time. Yeah, so that is ruled out, affecting in our market hours. Yeah, maybe we can put limit for the 38.5 CE.
Yes, correct.
Let's say if it rallies 100 points, we should get 40 points at least. That would be 890 plus 40. 890 plus 40. So
930.
925.
930. Yeah, so 925 is also fine. Yeah.
Okay, I placed an order for that also.
I think it gets filled. Then we can. Yeah, we don't have margin, so let's have a look at our ETFs.
Yes, Cora. All are in slight positive or slight negative.
Why? So JK Tire is up 3% because of auto numbers.
Yes, Cora.
Then paper softened a bit.
These are new holdings. No, okay, the Valiant is new one here. It's up 1.30%. The best one we have still in our portfolio is Apparents, almost hitting 90%.
Yeah. Then the momentum is also back. I mean, it just now 10%. The ETF. Sort by reverse.
Yeah.
Just down by 10%. Kotak Alpha, because we averaged, our average looks like 10% down. And we also sold a bit. We sold and we bought back. That's how our average price reduced. But otherwise, I think so it is still down 20% for the year. Actually.
Yes, Cora.
Otherwise, everything else is okay. Even the ETFs are turning positive.
Yes.
Junior Bs or ICICI low wall and all. If we get some money, we'll place some buys in the evening, some seasonal stocks or momentum ETFs.
Yes, for sure. Let's hope it rallies.
All right, let's see what happens in the evening.
All right. Bye, guys. Have fun.
Thank you so much, everyone. Don't forget to participate in the contest, okay?